Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I have a Louis Vuitton unboxing and I have two items here. So one of these items are actually pre-ordered and was launched yesterday. So let me start with this one first. Oh, so this is the box. So let me see what I got here. Okay, this is the product information that came with it. Okay, just put this one back. So, okay, so this one is in a drawstring dust bag. For some reason, I love the drawstring, I love the drawstring dust bag, guys. So here's, okay. So I got, this is actually a bandolier strap. So this one, this one has actually been around on the website for quite some time. And yeah, I finally decided to purchase this strap because I'm actually a fan of this really thick strap, guys. And oh yeah, this one is very, very flexible and it's really soft as well. So this is the bandolier strap. And this one right here, as you guys could see, this one is made up of those classic monogram canvas. Oh, this one? Yeah, monogram canvas. I was really thinking if this one is more likely like a giant monogram. Right there, right here, and also on the other side as well. This is more likely a calf leather lining on the other side as well. It is gorgeous. Wow, this one is in red color. Okay, very lovely. This is reversible, obviously. This is the red on the side and the monogram canvas on the side. This one right here, the hooks, as you guys can see right there, the hooks is actually made up of gold hardware. Beautiful. So this one is, it would swivel right here, so you guys could see right there. And yeah, this one, the only thing that I think it is an issue, it is not adjustable at all. Even right here at the bottom, they could have just like make this one adjustable right here. But for some reason, this one is not adjustable. I gotta have to see if this would work for me. I haven't really tried this one on because I just recently got it. And I was thinking of getting the black and a combination of the monogram, but for some reason I have several purses that has this color, this red color, and I really think that the red color is such a really nice pop of color, and I just love it. So this one is actually 35.4 inches long. It's pretty long, and the strap drop is 16.9 inches. Yeah, I wish this could have been adjustable, really. And also look at the side. This one right here, this is actually glazing. So this one is glazed with white. And I don't know, I'm not really sure about this, but I'm gonna try. I just really love this two combination, guys. Really nice. So let me see. So I got the one that's made in Spain, as you can see right there. And also on the other side, this one is, okay, this one is, it says here the date code JJ0261. So this one is made in the 6th week of 2021 in Spain. And I think this is the product number. Yeah, It's actually engraved in here as well. The product numbers, it's J02287 in bandolier monogram rouge right here. It is actually pretty. It is so gorgeous. It's really soft. I think this is gonna be, this one would sit comfortably on your shoulder. Very lovely. And also this one came in with two other colors, the black and the black and monogram, and also a hot pink and the monogram as well. This one is priced as $540 before tax. Beautiful. Wow. Very, very nice. Absolutely gorgeous. Just love the gold hardware right there. Beautiful. Okay, moving on to the next item. So this item that I have here, this one was actually I pre-ordered this, and this was released yesterday. So do you guys have any guesses what this next piece is? And I just love the box. It has a ribbon as well. And let's see what I have here. Okay. Oh. Okay, let me just... Oh, she actually wrapped the bow tightly. Wow. Usually I could just pull it. Oh my gosh. So hold on, I got a minute, guys. Let me just undo the ribbon. She actually wrapped this one so tight. So I have to undo the ribbon. It's crazy. Okay, so she actually wrapped it again tightly. Oh wow, that was crazy. Oh wow, this one is actually for the tag. She did it separately, but this one is the ribbon for the box. Wow, that was crazy. So yeah, usually I could just like pull it like that, but the one she did, it was like she did it really tight. So okay, so here is, oh my gosh, I'm excited for this because I think this is like my second item on this particular piece from Vuitton. And here it is. I think when you see the box within a box, it is, you guys are probably familiar with it. So, okay, let me just remove the box entirely. So this is how it looks. I'm pretty sure this is the booklet that came with it. I know that with her sunglasses, the booklet came in with this really heavy, thick booklet. I think this is just like a translation of the details about the product, but a lot of different languages. This was actually translated with a bunch of languages. That's why it is very thick. Okay, so here is the, okay, so here comes the box itself. I think that the boxes are pretty bulky though. I don't know, for some reason I just find it like the structure of it. But anyway, this is how it looks. Let's open it. Very nice, with a microfiber cloth inside with Louis Vuitton logo emblem right there. You could actually feel it. It feels really luxurious, the box itself. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here it is. Oh my gosh. Even this one were actually sealed tightly. I can't even open it. Okay, here it is. Here we go. Okay, so this is what I got. Oh, I can't speak anymore. So this is what I got. This is a sunglasses. So you guys can see right there. This was just released yesterday, Friday, and it looks like when I check it on the website, it's already been sold out on this size that I purchased. So this is actually called Blanca sunglasses, which is in black and in size E. You guys are not familiar with the Louis Vuitton sizes, so this one came in with two sizes, which is W and E. So W stands for Western frame and E stands for Eastern frame. So the Western frame is the one those who has a long bridge on their nose, and the Eastern frame is actually refers to those who has a flatter nose bridge or a flat face. Just like me, I have a little flatter nose bridge. So this is my size E, as in eagle. So okay, so yeah, this one was still sealed though, and it has this little teeny tiny tag with it. So let me just try to take this one out. Okay, so this is on the way. Oh my gosh, they actually, hold on. Okay, there you go. I dropped it. So okay, this is how it looks. So let me remove the wrapper. Oh my gosh, this one has weight to it, guys. This one has a really, really nice weight to it. This one is in black, as you guys can see right there. This one has a square frame, and also this one has a green lenses. So I could actually see it right here, the silhouette of the green lenses. And also what I like about this is this beautiful monogram pattern. As you guys can see right here at the temple of the sunglasses, that is those little monogram right there, the Louis Vuitton monogram, and they are gorgeous. That one is actually in gold hardware, as well as here at the tip of the sunglasses. This one, it says LV right there at the tip, and this one is the monogram flowers. Very nice. This one, I was trying to feel if this one is made up of metal or just plastic. It's really hard to tell with the logo, guys. I was trying to feel if this one is actually, let me see, because yeah, it has like, it looks like it's made up of metal though, or it feels like it. You can't feel it at all, because it actually like blends into this right here with the frame. Oh my gosh, this one is so beautiful. Wow. So let me just put this one on, see how it looks. So this is how it looks. Okay. Oh wow, it sits comfortably. Wow, it feels very, very comfortable. This is actually really meant for those who don't have who has flatter nose bridge. But yeah, it is comfortable. It sets in perfectly in my eye. This one is so pretty. It's actually, it says it has a green lenses though, but I think it looks fine. This one could, I don't even know how this one would hold up if you were outside with the UV. So I'm not really sure about that yet. So this one right here, it says made in Italy, and also made in Italy right here. And it says Louis Vuitton, and also right here as well. So this is the product code. The product code says Z1465E. The sunglasses came in with 3 other colors. We have ingredient blue, which is more likely in ombre blue. Really nice, but I can even see myself wearing blue glasses. And also it came in with the dark tortoise, which is a combination of brown, and yeah, it's a little bit, it is actually very nice as well. And also it came in with silver, which is in a lighter color. But this one, I figure that this one goes with any outfit. You can't really go wrong with this particular color. So I decided to get this black instead. And this one retails for $480. And I think this is also one of the most affordable glasses so far that Louis Vuitton has. But the only thing is with the other color, which is silver, which is also listed in Blanca glasses, that one priced as $735. So the gradient blue, the dark tortoise, black is $480, and the silver is $735. It is very, very pricey. I don't know why, but I think I can compare that white as a millionaire glasses that they have though. So anyway, this is my latest unboxing from Louis Vuitton, and I really like so excited. I am really excited to, I can't wait to use this, guys, for summer. This one is gorgeous. And also I am also going to do a video on this beautiful strap and how I use it. And I'm gonna have to probably share some of my items that I'm gonna be using this with. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.